Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast breakfast. First, gather your ingredients. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Mix until everything is smoothly combined. This creates the perfect base for your delicious French toast. Now let's prepare the bread. Use a good quality, thick-cut bread, ideally about 3/4 of an inch thick. Brioche or challah work wonderfully. Carefully dip each slice into your prepared batter, ensuring both sides are fully coated. Don't let it soak too long, just about 10 to 15 seconds per side, then let any excess drip off. It's time to cook. Heat a griddle or large skillet over medium heat, aiming for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan and let it melt. Place your dipped bread slices onto the hot surface. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious French toast is ready. Serve it immediately while it's still warm. Get creative with your toppings. A drizzle of maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or some fresh berries are classic choices. For an extra treat, add a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly cooked French toast breakfast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.